Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the new long perm curls hairstyles in Heartopia. So, as part of the half anniversary update, several new hairstyles have been added to the game. And to check them out, just head to the Dot Salon on the second floor of her shops. And then after that, just once you're there, just tap on this mirror. Just tap on it, and then next just add the hairstyles. Scroll down until you hit the bottom. This one, and then in here you will see this long perm curls. I think it's so cute. It features long curly hair with cute hair rolls still attached like this, giving it a fun and unique look. And if you like it, just simply purchase it. It costs 6,000 gold. And then after you purchase it, you can just uh, freely change its hair color anytime to match your favorite outfit or styles on here. You can see it like this. If in here you can also make the gradient color like this. You can see it. I think it's so cool. And okay, that's how you can get the new long perm curls hairstyles in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.